Day 25 is finally the last day. Currently 3:41 and I gotta cook. Well, I told them I was gonna bring some Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. They didn't have the egg roll wraps in the store. I checked yesterday and the day before that, they didn't have any. So I had to get some wonton wraps. Never made them with the wonton wraps before, but it's basically the same process. So I'm about to get to cooking real quick. I hate being late, even though it's just my family, but I hate being late. So I'm gonna, you know, show y'all a little bit of the cooking process. Let's go ahead and start cooking so we can get done and be out of here. Now, I usually use pepper jack cheese and cheddar, but also didn't have any cheese in the store, like barely any, and people were just standing in the way, and I already don't really like people like that, and especially not during the holidays, because they just be in the way and literally act slow as hell. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just use the cheese that I have at home, and I'll get another pack when I go out sometime this week. So all I have is cheddar cheese, which is going to be fine. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. These are the ingredients that I will be using. I have the beef shaved steak, cheddar cheese, the wonton wraps. I have water in that bowl, onion, pepper, adobo, garlic, and onion. These are my favorite seasonings to use. And that's it. And then of course I have some oil in my pan on the other side. I'll go ahead and put the steak on right now so I can get that cooking. And then while that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some onion and pepper. The stove is still messy from last night. I'm gonna do a clean one, so it'll get cleaning. It's just some oil. But let's go ahead and put this in the pan. Pepper has been cleaned. I honestly don't even know how much I needed this. I don't know why I just cut this like this, but oh well. Alright, got the onions and peppers cut up. Now I'm about to go ahead and cook them a little bit. Got the onions and peppers all nice and cooked. Alright, trial and error. I should be out the house by now, but I'm not gonna lie, these was about to irritate me. I was getting extremely frustrated, but I got the hang of it. These could not be filled up a lot at all. Like, these are really like mini appetizers. And I already made one and it's good. So I don't know how many of these I'm finna make. My counter is clean. I don't know how many of these I'm finna make because getting them all wrapped up is very time consuming. This is probably too much, so I'm gonna take some off. This should be enough. But I made one already and they're really good. Like, I could honestly just leave these here and cook them later, you know, for a little snack. I'm gonna make a few more. I feel like they already eaten. Like, everybody already there, and they eating without me. Oh well. Oh well. And put some water on the corners. Just rub it up there. Take it like this. Boo, this is probably too much. Hold on. I'm about to take it like this and kind of pinch it. I feel like I filled it up too much. No. Yeah, this is very time consuming, so I don't know. I might not take these. I might just save them for later. Like, I want to take them, but it's just so time consuming, bro. I should have been up and did these. And just close it up by putting the water up there. And like that. And put a little bit more. Then you take it like this. And boom. Like that. All right, this is what it's looking like. I think I'm gonna make a few more, just have 15, because I'm ready to go. But I'm happy with how they look. If I would have started earlier instead of laying in my bed on my phone, I would have made more. And I would be there by now, but that's not the case. So I'm gonna just make a few more. And then I'm gonna put my pants on. I'm not dressing up. All right, 12, so I'm gonna make 3 more. Put my pants and my shoes on, my coat, and I'm out of here. I'm gonna definitely have some left over, so I'm gonna make myself some of these probably tomorrow. And this is how they look. Now I'm about to go ahead and put them in this pan. My pan is hot and ready. Got the text message and I'm just finishing up. This is how they look. I'm gonna try to get somebody to taste it on the camera and tell me how they are. But this is how they came out. Looks so pretty. Now I just have to put my shoes and my coat and I'm ready to go.
What I supposed to bite it and say, oh damn.
You can just eat it.
Oh, that was good.
Are you lying? Thank you.
Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
I'm out.
That is so. Wait.
Grandma did it. She didn't pay attention.
Look at you guys. Bro, I'm about to run the check all the time, bro.
What is this one? Oh,
25.
Wild card 25? Oh my god, bro. 5, 10, 15,
60.
20,
75.
25.
Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on J for survival. A lot of people gunning for the time.
Back home now. A little sleepy, but that's going to be the end of this vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Just spent some time with my family. Had a very, very great time. Food was good. I think I overate because my stomach was hurting for about an hour and a half. It was good though. I forgot to get some greens on my plate, but I made sure I put some on my little to-go plate. So I had meatloaf, macaroni, candy yams, apple pie, ice cream, and potato salad. And it was all good. And the wontons. I truly appreciate you guys, especially the ones that watched every single video. I truly, truly appreciate y'all. But yeah, we did it. We completed 25 days. I'm so freaking proud of myself. And yeah, I hope that y'all enjoyed these videos. And I will see you all maybe the day after next. Don't hold me to it. But y'all just might get 3 more uploads this month. Don't hold me to it though. We'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this up before 12. If not, look, it's the end. It'll be up when it's up. So yeah, I will see y'all.